Repair Your Tights by Stella Cadente.
Oh no, I can't believe it. What am I going to do? Help!
Super Stella!
Ta-da! Super Stella's here with her magic cape. What's wrong? I've got a hole in my tights. Oh no! How did you do that? It's the second time I've done it. Don't worry, it's easy. Here's the other pair that has a hole. I cut here where the hole is. Now you cut the leg with the hole. Go on, put it on. Now, that's right. It's magic! Well, of course, I have magical powers, and this bit, goodbye. And now you have a new pair of tights. Thank you, Super Stella!